it's not as if that pharma has not been beaten black and blue. They have also been seeing a lot of profit booking simply because Mr. Trump till about 2 weeks ago said those who don't produce in the United States but sell their products to us, they need to put in a factory or face a very high tariff barrier. Raghvendra ji, how much of this intense pain that we are seeing in the market is because of reciprocal tariffs that Mr. Trump has signed on for not only India but for a large part of the Committee of Nations?
Sadly, it is not a good sign at all, and even the market is sensing that, because reciprocal tariff is not good, because the most of the manufacturing which we export is pharma. So I think pharma जितने stocks हैं जो भी हम बाहर भेजते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपोर्ट इंडिया करता है यूएस को. इसके अलावा मेटल्स, इसके अलावा रेलवे के जो कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, रेलवे के जो बोगीज वगैरह जो बनाते हैं, तो ये बाजार इस चीज को सेंस कर रहा है कि आने वाले टाइम में ये चीजें बहुत खराब हो सकती हैं. तो मेरे हिसाब से ये आप देखिए बाजार में चाहे आज या कल जब भी इसका इम्पैक्ट आएगा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि ये उसका बाजार सेंस करके आप देखिए मिड कैप स्मॉल कैप जो भी बाहर चीजें हम एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, वो कंपनियां जो एक्सपोर्टर है, नेट एक्सपोर्टर है, उनको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. देखो एक तो हमारा करेंसी वॉर चालू है, आप कुछ भी कह लीजिए, हम ऑटो में अपने आप को डिफेंड नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर अमेरिका ने बहुत ज्यादा हमारे पे टैरिफ लगा दिया तो हमारी स्टील की प्राइस बढ़ने वाली है, हमारी सीमेंट की प्राइस बढ़ने वाली है, हमारी कोल की प्राइस बढ़ने वाली है. वो इन्फ्लेशन का जो खतरा है वो बाजार कहीं ना कहीं सेंस कर रहा है. तो मेरे हिसाब से जो है ये बाजार अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि जब तक ये चीजें क्लियर आउट ना हो जाए कि क्या क्या और चीजें इम्पोज हो सकती हैं इंडिया के ऊपर, मुझे लगता है कि बाजार में अभी फिलहाल जो है ऐसा कुछ भी अग्रेसिव बाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है जहां पे कि इसका इम्पैक्ट और जो है हमारे ऊपर दुगना असर कर सकता है, उसका इम्पैक्ट दिखेगा हमारे ऊपर.
जी. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very painful juncture for Indian markets, which are not only grappling with the overvaluation in some parts, but this news of reciprocal tariffs coming into impact over the next 6 months or so has to some extent broken the back of mid caps and small caps. Very, very high selling pressure coming in today. Let's hope that the worst is behind us, but it looks as if there is more pain coming ahead in the Indian markets, especially in overvalued zones where a large part of smalls and mids find themselves in. So that's how it is as far as markets are concerned. 3:15, 15 minutes have been there. Let's look at how the Nifty was 3 or 4 days away. When you look at last Friday, it was 7th of February. Let's look at the Bank Nifty chart. The high for the Bank Nifty on 7th of February was 50,641. From then on, we've hit 48,781. That's easily 1,200 points lost on the Nifty Bank alone. Let's look at the Nifty index. It's been falling continuously for 4 plus 4, 8 days. On 5th of February, which was Wednesday, the Nifty was at a high of 23,800. On 7th, the high was 23,700. So from 23,700, you have 22,700 today, almost 784. So that's a 1,000-point fall in the last 5 trading sessions. And everybody has been impacted, whether it's metals, whether it's IT, whether it's pharma, whether it's consumer durables, whether it's capital goods companies, real estate, all of them have taken it on the chin. Look at the chart of Tata Motors. Let me just point out in the last 5 sessions the biggest losers on the Nifty. That will give you an idea as to how the market is anticipating Mr. Trump's changes that he is sort of coming up with. In the last 1 week, ladies and gentlemen, the top loser on the Nifty is Eicher Motors. This is when third quarter earnings was very good. Why is Eicher Motors the top loser? That's for 2 reasons. Its US competitor Harley Davidson, for whatever reasons, whether it's higher tariffs or higher costs, has been unable to sell lots of bikes in India. And Mr. Trump in particular has raised this issue of higher tariffs on high-end bikes such as Harley Davidson, not only with Mr. Modi but in many other public fora. BEL has lost 10% in the last 5 trading sessions. Hero Motors, another two-wheeler, down 9.6%, M&M 8%, Apollo Hospitals 7.8%, Power Grid 7.7%. Remember, Apollo Hospitals came up with a great set of numbers. The earnings at Mahindra and Mahindra were phenomenal. Eicher Motors was also a very big outperformer. All three or all four of them may have also fallen partly because of profit booking, but the overall theme in the market is that you will pay a price for the higher tariffs that India charges, and the markets are readjusting their psychology.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.